If we tried it, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living? Get your shoes on, we're going dancing. These little problems, we could solve them. Try another, but I know you've got one. But there's no hurry, the lifelight's calling. In the van we're driving to Austin. This feels like time is making fun of me.